Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn about farm animals. Farm animals. This is a cow. This is a cow. Its color is white and black. Cow give us milk. These are sheep. Sheep. Wow, look here are baby sheep and mama sheep. Goose. These are goose. Goose. Their color is white. Horse. Horse. This is a horse. Its color is brown. Chicken. Chicken. These are chickens. Chickens. Goat. Goat. This is a white goat. Donkey. Donkey. This is a donkey. Its color is brown. Duck. Duck. This is a duck. Duck swim in water. Rabbit. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rabbit. Its color is white. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.